guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I am at my house and I'm going to be making Snickers ice cream cake. So let's get started. Alright, so to start with I'm going to be making a chocolate chip cookie base. So I'm using these Chips Ahoy with Hershey's chocolate cookies. And I'm going to be starting in my food processor. Adding in the cookies. So we'll just add a few to start before we turn it on. So I've got all the cookies chopped up, and now I'm going to be adding to that some melted butter and turning it on. Alright, so next we're going to need something to make our ice cream cake in. So as you can see, I have this nice, big, fairly deep container. It's got a lid, so I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to pour my cookie base in. Alright, so our base is in and pressed down into the container. So next we're going to be doing a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And a drizzle of caramel syrup. Alright, so next I have Snickers ice cream bars, and I'm going to begin layering those onto my base. Alright, so next I have this Snickers ice cream that I've let soften, and I'm going to be putting that on top for the next layer. Alright, so the ice cream layer is on, and we're going to do another quick little drizzle of chocolate syrup and of caramel syrup. So next I have some chopped Snickers bars, and we're going to be doing a layer of that right on top. Alright, so that is on, and now we have some extra creamy Cool Whip for the top. Alright, our Cool Whip is on, and we're going to top it with the rest of our Snickers bars. Alright, so we're going to give it one last drizzle of chocolate syrup. And one last drizzle of caramel syrup. Now we are ready to get that, put a lid on that and get that into the freezer. I would say we want to freeze it for at least a couple of hours. If you wanted to make it the day before and freeze it overnight, that would be even better, but you want to have at least a couple hours. So then we'll see back here then, and we'll check it out. All right, so it's been in the freezer for 3 hours now, so this is how it looks, and I'm gonna cut a piece. All right, there it is. It looks so good. I can't wait to give it a try, and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.